Have you ever felt your strength slowly slipping away and blamed it on age or stress? What if the real reason is something you do every time you stand up, the way you stand? Most men aren't losing their strength, they've simply forgotten how to stand truly strong. The base of all physical strength begins with how we connect to the ground. Think about ancient warriors or martial arts masters. Their power came from how they owned their space. In modern life, we often hunch, lean, and lock our knees, losing that connection to our physical foundation. Every moment of bad posture sends signals of instability to the body, draining energy and creating ongoing tension. Over the years, this leads to tiredness, less movement, and aches that even coffee can't fix. The good news is, this isn't forever or a mystery. It's a skill you can learn again. Babies stand with perfect alignment. As adults, we just need to go back to those basic ideas. By getting your posture back on track, you can bring back the stability and energy you thought you'd lost. Your journey back to strength doesn't start with lifting weights, but by learning how to stand correctly. Take a moment. How are you standing right now? Most of us are leaning, slouching, or shifting our weight without even thinking about it. These habits create a chain reaction. Your pelvis tilts, your spine compensates, and muscles on one side get overworked while others get weak. Chronic lower back pain, shallow breathing, and tiredness often start with these small imbalances. Over time, your body accepts this as normal, putting constant pressure on your joints and ligaments. Even guys with big muscles can lack real core strength if their foundation isn't solid. You might blame age or your diet, but rarely do you look at your feet. The real culprit is a crumbling foundation, your posture. Until you rebuild it, your body will waste energy just trying to stand up straight. Each year you feel a little more tired, a little less strong. The fix isn't complicated, it's about finding your balance in your stance again. Start by noticing your habits. Awareness is the first step to change. Rebuild your foundation, and your strength will follow. Bad posture doesn't just mess with your muscles, it also puts your brain on constant high alert. Your cerebellum, which is in charge of balance, feels this unsteadiness and kicks off a subtle fight-or-flight response. Stress hormones like cortisol and adrenaline get released, making your muscles tense and speeding up your heart. This state is meant for emergencies, not everyday life. This constant alertness drains your energy, messes with your recovery, and keeps your nervous system on edge. Your body never truly rests, and your mind feels scattered and tired. Real strength needs relaxation and good coordination, but stress makes your movements jerky and not very effective. Your brain always picks stability over strength. If you're not stable, you can't be strong. By standing wrong, you force your body to put safety first, giving up your full potential. The fix: get your alignment back and let your brain relax. Only then can you tap into your true strength. Stability is the doorway to power. A lot of guys try to get their strength back by working out super hard or taking pills, but these things don't fix a broken foundation. Building muscles on a frame that's not straight just makes bad habits stronger and makes it more likely you'll get hurt. You can lift heavy weights, but if your posture isn't right, you're just making up for being unstable. Pills and supplements promise quick fixes, but they only hide the problems. The real problem isn't missing chemicals. It's the constant stress on your body from bad posture. Real strength comes from getting rid of stress you don't need, not from working harder or taking more stuff. You need to reteach your nervous system and help your muscles work together in a good way. You don't need fancy equipment, just awareness and a willingness to let go of bad habits. Fix your foundation first, and everything else will get easier. Your body was made to be strong, let it work the way it's supposed to. What does it mean to stand correctly? It's not about being stiff or forced, it's about being relaxed, aligned, and steady. Let's start with your feet. Stand with them about shoulder width apart, and put your weight evenly on the balls of your feet and your heels. Most people tend to rock forward or backward. Find that sweet spot where all four corners of your feet press into the ground. Next, check your knees. Don't lock them. Keep a soft, slight bend to keep your leg muscles active. Move up to your pelvis. Avoid tilting it forward. Imagine it like a bowl of water. Keep it level by gently tucking your tailbone in. This neutral position helps your core muscles work and takes stress off your lower back. Your strength comes from the ground up through a solid foundation. Proper alignment isn't about being rigid, it's about effortless support. When your foundation is strong, your whole body works better. Every movement becomes more powerful and efficient. This is the posture of true strength. Practice it until it feels natural. Your body will thank you. Let's build your posture from the ground up. Start with your feet strong, knees soft and pelvis neutral. Imagine a string gently pulling the top of your head upwards, lengthening your spine. Don't strain, just create space between each vertebra. Let your chin be slightly tucked and your neck naturally aligned. Relax your shoulders, don't force them back, just let them hang down and wide. Let your arms hang loosely by your sides, palms facing your body. Now focus on your breath. Place one hand on your belly, one on your chest. Breathe deeply through your nose, letting your belly expand while your chest stays still. Exhale slowly, feeling your belly fall. This belly breathing calms your nervous system and signals stability. When you put it all together, you feel both grounded and lifted. This is effortless alignment. Your skeleton supports you, freeing up your muscles. This is your natural state of strength. Standing up straight actually brings a surprising sense of calm. The constant tension you're used to just melts away. Your nervous system switches from high alert to a calm, healing mode. Your breath gets deeper, going into your belly, bringing in more oxygen and letting go of stress. This calm breathing is the rhythm of a stable body. With stability, you feel less worried and more present. You gain a quiet confidence, not from ego, but from being steady. You become like a pillar, strong and unshakable. Good posture lets you move power through your body well, making every move stronger. Whether you're lifting something, walking, or playing sports, you create power from the ground up. No more wasting energy trying to make up for bad posture. This is the secret of top fighters and athletes, strength built on being stable. Find your foundation, and your power will follow. Many guys think they lack motivation, but what they really lack is stability. Bad posture creates a constant energy leak, draining your battery before your day even starts. You wake up tired, and by evening you have nothing left for exercise or to face challenges. When you fix your posture, you plug this leak and get back lost energy. Suddenly, you have more motivation, clear thinking, and patience, not from willpower, but from feeling good in your body. Stability frees up energy for action. Before you start a new workout or diet, fix your foundation. Small changes in how you stand make big changes in your whole system. You'll breathe better, hurt less, and feel more energized. Motivation becomes easy when your body supports you. Make stability your main goal. The ripple effect will change your life. Stand strong and motivation will follow. Your journey back to strength starts right now, not in the gym, but with noticing things. Stop and notice. How are you standing or sitting? Where is your weight? Are your shoulders tight? Don't judge, just watch. Years of habits can be changed by paying attention. Throughout the day, check your posture. Feet strong, knees soft, hips level, head straight, shoulders relaxed. Each time you notice something is off, gently fix it. Take a deep belly breath and feel the change from tense to steady. At first, you'll need to remind yourself often, but each small fix builds a new habit. Real change starts with these small things. How you stand shows how you face life. By getting back to your base, you send a message to your brain and body. You are steady and in charge. Your strength isn't lost, it's just hidden under old habits. Pay attention to the small differences. They lead to the biggest changes. Your strength is waiting to be found again. Every step, every pose, is a chance to build yourself back up. Notice the ground under your feet. Feel your connection to it. This is where your power begins. Start now. Your body will remember.